Have you ever been in a situation where a friend did a personal growth program and you tried the same thing and it just didn't work for you? Now, the reason this happens is because many people assume everything in personal growth applies to everyone. Somebody talks about the law of attraction and you're like, yes, I'm gonna try that. And it doesn't work. Personal growth is like martial arts. There are different belt levels, and the tools you use at each level are different. The reality is, there are 4 distinct and unique levels of consciousness in which we can operate from. These are levels of how our consciousness and our self-awareness relate between us and the world around us. And the tools you use have to depend on the level of consciousness you are at. Now, these levels do not say that you are wrong or you're right in a certain way. It's just a level of awakening or awareness in terms of your relationship to the world around you. The tools are different in every level. For example, if you're in level 1 and you try to do something like vision boards or law of attraction, it's not going to work. If you're at level 3 and you try to do creative visualization, you're slowing yourself down. If you're at level 2 and you try to do energy work, not going to work. You got to use the right tool for the right level. Now, when you understand the level you're at, not only can you choose the right tool, but you can get better results and you can figure out how to ascend to the next level and the next level and the next level. The 4 different levels of evolution. This model basically says that at each level of your conscious evolution, you react to the world and shape the world in different ways. The majority of human beings exist at level 1. They are living in what we call the culturescape. And at this level, the world happens to them. But at a certain point, people start questioning, they start waking up, they go to level 2. I call that the awakening. This is where they realize that you can choose certain experiences in the world. Now, when you do that enough, you go to level 3. Level 3 is called recoding yourself. This is where you realize that, wait a minute, the world isn't just outside you, the world is inside you as well. And you start paying attention to your inner world. As soon as you start going within, this opens you up to level 4. And level 4 is where I say you really start becoming extraordinary. Level 4 is where an important shift happens that completely transforms how you live your life. Let's look at the 3 questions. Who am I? What do I desire? What do I know? Each of these levels, we're going to ask these 3 questions. Now, when you look at personal growth from this lens, you get better results faster and you evolve crazy fast. It could take 5 to 10 years to go from one level to the other, but you can engineer rapid evolution, rapid awakening. When we talk about awakening, when we talk about becoming wiser, this is essentially what is going on. But the tools are different for every level. 70% of the world is at level 1. Roughly 25%, I would estimate, is at level 2. 4% level 3, 1% at level 1. If you get to level 1, the entire way you show up in the world is different, and the tools you use radically different. The quest for wisdom is to go from level 1 to level 4.